Hello students, welcome to Doctor NEET Academy. Today I am going to solve some problems in alkynes and allyl chapter. It's a very important chapter. So I already told you, just go through all the name reactions. Then only it will be easy. Now see the first question. The reactions of tertiary butyl bromide with sodium ethoxide produces dash. Okay. Tertiary butyl bromide means, that is tertiary butyl bromide. So around the carbon atom we have 3 carbon atoms is there. This is called what? Tertiary butyl bromide. Understood? Okay. Now this is called tertiary butyl bromide. Reacts with what? Sodium methoxide. So sodium methoxide means, methyl alcohol, CH3 OH. That's called methyl alcohol. Instead of H you put what? Sodium. This is called what? Sodium methoxide. Okay. So here, that suppose here for getting ether, which is the important factor means primary alkyl halides is very, very important. Then only we can get ether. But it's not a primary, no, it is a tertiary. If you have tertiary compounds means we are going to get only alkene is obtained. So so minus NaBr, so minus NaBr is removed. Okay, understood? Remaining, the C3O, it takes one hydrogen from this methyl group. Now it will be what? So this will be removed, that. So this NaBr is removed. Then CH3O plus one H minus what? Minus, CH3OH. Understood? CH3OH. Okay, this will be removed. Remaining will be the compounds. You follow? If you have primary alkyl halides, we'll be getting what? Only ethers. But if you have secondary, tertiary means you'll be getting alkene. So that you just keep in mind. So the product will be what? Here H will be removed. The product will be, CH3, C down, CH3. Understood? Okay. Here also what? Here double bond CH2. Understood? Right? Okay. So this is called, isobutylene. Okay. So double bond, no. So here, no double bond here. So we're getting what? Isobutylene. So D is the answer. Are you following? Okay. Just remember, if you have primary alkyl halides, then only we get ethers. Primary alkyl halides. If you have secondary as well as tertiary, we will not get ethers, we will be getting only alkene. So, okay, then only you can, this idea if you know means you can be able to solve this sum. Next one, chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium in dry ether to give compound A, which further reacts with ethanol to yield dash. Okay, chlorobenzene, the formula, C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene reacts with magnesium, we are getting, Grignard reagents obtained. So the product will be what? C6H5MgCl. This is called Grignard reagents. Then again that reacts with what? Further reacts with ethanol. So ethanol, the formula, that is what? CH3, CH2, OH. Understood? So ethanol. So here mostly suppose whenever the Grignard reagent reacts with water molecule as well as any alcohol molecules, always we are going to get only one alkane is obtained, or nothing but one hydrocarbon is obtained. So in this case, the hydrocarbon is what? Always this will be the hydrocarbon. So C6H5, one hydrogen it takes from here. Okay. So we're getting what? Benzene. That's the product. Understood? So here C6H6. Understood? Always we'll be getting only hydrocarbon. So answer will be what? So benzene is the correct one. Understood? Right. Next one. Third one, an organic compound A, C4H9Cl on reaction with sodium. Whenever you see sodium means, you must know what kind of name reaction means. It's called Woods reaction. Okay. Gives hydrocarbon which on monochlorination gives only one chloro derivatives. Okay. Then A is what? They're asking. Okay. Suppose this is called, for tertiary, if you have 4 carbon alkyl halides, we have 4 isomers are possible, Yeah. Suppose, N-butyl chloride, isobutyl chloride, secondary butyl chloride, tertiary butyl chloride. Okay. Which butyl chloride if you take, but we should get only one chloro derivatives, monochlorination only taking place. Okay. So I'm taking only tertiary butyl bromide. See, tertiary butyl bromide. What's the formula for tertiary butyl bromide? Tertiary. It's called tertiary, no? Okay. Are you following? Here we have 4 isomers are possible. Are you following? But I'm taking only one isomer. This one is going to give only monochlorination. Okay. So CH3. Okay. CH3. No, Cl. Understood? Cl. Then reacts with sodium. If you see sodium means it's a Woods reaction. So you write this in 2 times. Understood? Sodium in 2 times. That outright Woods reaction. Then this also you write in reverse. Okay. See here CH3. Understood? Here also CH3. Here also what? CH3. That. Okay. Right. The reaction takes place in presence of ether medium. So that one hydrocarbon is obtained. This will be removed. Understood? NaCl. Here also NaCl will be removed. What kind of hydrocarbon means? We're getting, So understood. So this will be removed. This also NaCl. Here also NaCl. Okay. So remaining this group, this carbon linkage taking place. That's all right. Here CH3, CH3. Understood? Here also CH3. Then C. Here also CH3. Here also CH3. Understood? Okay. Then this hydrocarbon, no, which on monochlorination gives only one monochloro derivatives. That's the question. Okay. So here, wherever if you replace chlorine, the compounds will be same. The CH3C, all are CH3. No, any place we can replace the hydrogen by chlorine. That's called monochloro derivatives. The compounds look like same. Then only which kind of compound we should take means among the four. This is among the four compounds isomers. If you take tertiary butyl bromide, that's a correct one. Understood? So this is correct one. You follow? If you take secondary butyl isobutyl, we will not get this one. Next one, elimination reactions of 2-bromopentane to form pent-2-ene. Okay, so everything is given. You know, it is elimination reaction. 2-bromopentane, it's a reactant. Pent-2-ene is a product. Okay, so under this, what kind of reaction they're asking? Okay, so it is called, you know, it's a beta elimination reaction. It follows Yates of rule. Okay, it's a dehydrogenation. So among this, so ABC is correct. Understood? ABC is correct. So what? So option A. Are you following? Convert 2-bromopentane to pent-2-ene. It's a what kind of reaction they're asking? Understood? Okay. So if you want me, I'll write once again the equation. 2-bromopentane means, you know that pentane means what? We have 5 carbon. 2-bromo means what? 2 having bromine. Then you can fill by hydrogen. You know that CH3. Here what? CH2. Here also CH2. Here what? CH3. Understood? Okay. Then, you know, dehydrogenation. No, dehydrogenation what? Here, if you put, you know, alcoholic KOH, then we'll be getting what? Dehydrogenation taking place. So what? So this will be removed. No, you know that. Okay, understood. Okay. From alpha carbon, bromine is removed. From beta carbon, you know, the hydrogen is removed. So minus HBr. This is called dehydrogenation. D means what? Removal. Hydro means hydrogen. Halogen means, you know, any halogens, you know. So removal of minus HBr. Okay. We can take bromine. We can take hydrogen from this side also. No. But what rule we can follow? Yates of rule. If you take hydrogen from here, the alkene will be less stable. If you take hydrogen from that side, then only more stable alkene is obtained. Okay. So then only all these are essential to get more stable alkene. Understood? So ABC is the correct one. Understood? Next one, chlorobenzene reacts with sodium. So whenever if you see sodium means, you must know it's a Wurtz reaction or Wurtz-Fittig reaction or Fittig reaction. So you know it's a aryl halides. No, aryl halides means it's called, you know that, very simple. Chlorobenzene is a Fittig reaction. So Fittig reaction means, you know, chlorobenzene. Okay, students, see the fifth question. Chlorobenzene reacts with sodium in presence of ether to form dash. Yeah. So chlorobenzene means this is, you know, that this is called chlorobenzene. So sodium, if it's called chlorobenzene, isn't it? So reacts with, you know, sodium. So the same chlorobenzene you write 2 times, you know that. So, you know, as usual, here sodium also you write 2 times. So NaCl and Cl will be removed. The 2 benzene together. Now it forms what? Biphenyl, isn't it? You know that. Biphenyl. You know, it's called what? Biphenyl. Very simple reaction, you know. So answer what? B is the correct one. Okay. Right. Next one. 2-bromobutane reacts with alcoholic KOH. So alcoholic KOH means, you know, it's a dehydrogenation. 2-bromobutane. Yeah. 2-bromobutane. Nothing but, you know, bromine here. Understood? 2-bromobutane. Then you can fill by hydrogen. CH3. Here also CH2. Here CH. Here what? CH3. Understood? Alcoholic KOH. So here, this is, you know that, this is called what? From alpha carbon, Br is removed. From beta carbon, H is removed. But both are beta. This side we can take means, if you take hydrogen from this side, then only we are getting the stable alkene. Okay. So as usual, you know that from alpha carbon, Br is removed. How Br is removed? When it reacts with K to form what? Minus KBr. Understood? From beta, both are beta. No, which beta we can take means which one is longer side. Okay, long chain alkyl group. That's it we can take. So here this hydrogen, this OH. Understood? So H2 will be removed. Now the product will be what? The product will be here. You know, in between this alpha and beta carbon, the double bond will be coming. Understood? We put double bond. So what? CH3, CH, double bond, CH, single bond, CH3. Understood? So but2ene. Understood? You know the but2ene. Answer B is the correct one. Understood? Next one, toluene. Toluene reacts with chlorine in presence of sunlight to form dash. Toluene means, you know, sunlight means, you just remember, you know, this carbon is called what? Whenever the chlorine reacts with in presence of light energy, no? Light energy. So just, you know, what this means? Just remember, replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. That's the meaning. Whenever if sunlight is applied, we have to only replace sp3 hydrogen, not sp2 hydrogen. Okay. So here, this is what? These are all what? What kind of hydrogen? This is what? These are all what? What kind of hydrogen? This is called sp3 hydrogen. Understood? In benzene ring, no. In benzene ring, no. These are all what? In benzene ring also we have hydrogen. No. This is called sp2 hydrogen. We cannot able to replace. So replace this hydrogen by halogen. So that's a product. You replace one hydrogen by halogen. So the product will be what? Product will be what? CH2Cl. Understood? So benzyl chloride. Here is the correct one. Understood? Are you following? So whenever if you see sunlight means, just remember replace sp3 hydrogen by halogen. That's the point. Okay, sp3 hydrogen by halogen. Understood? This is very important. Whenever if you see sunlight in presence of any halogens. So these are the 7 questions. Understood? Thank you, students.